Hello everyone, and welcome back to John and Mandy Go RVing.
There are many floor plans for the Majestic by New Horizons. The models range from 32 feet to 48 feet. The model we're going to check out today is the M42RK3S. The weight is approximately 28,000 pounds. This fifth wheel is in the luxury category and has been made for full-time living. New Horizons guarantees that your tanks won't freeze down to -10 degrees. They have built this rig to truly be an all-season vehicle. There are two 40-pound LP tanks, two 15,000 BTU air conditioners, and two 42,000 BTU furnaces. The unit has a 100-gallon fresh water tank, an 80-gallon gray water tank, and a 50-gallon black tank. The inside is optimal for full-time living. It has a wraparound kitchen to give you the most countertop space possible. There's a residential fridge and an option for a dishwasher. There's an oversized L-shaped couch and a ton of inside storage. In the bedroom, a queen-size bed is standard with an option to upgrade to a king. And there's plenty of storage inside and plenty of wardrobe space. Now, let's take a look.
So starting on the outside here in the front, we have plenty of pass-through space here. There's a door on the other side here for access into this. And also you have your solar up in here. Here's the other access point. And if you need to change your water filter, it's in the back. Another access point in here as well. Here we got the outside TV with a sound bar. Swivels out. There is no ladder on the back.
No ladder.
Got your hot water heater here. Here we have some more storage. That's locked. That's locked. It's probably LP tanks. Here's your LP tank.
Not one in there though.
Alright, let's head inside now. So coming into the living room here inside, you have all this open space with a big L-shaped couch. Then over here you have this bar system. Put a couple stools here. Just gotta watch your step down here because there's a little bit of a lip.
There's no dinette in this unit.
No. And then over here we have our entertainment center area. It's a huge TV. You got a small fireplace underneath. Some storage here. Sound bar. And over top here you have more cabinets. Your Blu-ray players up here. Okay, so we got a nice pantry area here. Shelving all the way up to the top. In a unit like this, you're going to have a residential fridge. Storage up there. If you're kind of short, this ain't too optimal. Then you have your wraparound kitchen, residential. You have your dishwasher here. You have this big drawer. Plenty of storage underneath the sink for your cleaning supplies and such. Big stainless steel sink with a telescoping faucet. Look at some of these cabinets here. Then you have a full-size residential oven and stove here. Convection microwave. Storage on both sides of it. Trash can. And you can put your silverware in this drawer. 3 more drawers underneath that. So here's the half bath. Stackable washer and dryer. Wow. I don't know what you're going to put up there, but you got plenty of space for whatever you do. Maybe a year worth supply of toilet paper. People won't like that when you're in a store with a whole cart full of toilet paper, though, just like you know. A little bit more above the toilet there. Porcelain. Nice, very nice. Nice sized cabinet. Nice backsplash. I like that. Rock effect, brick effect. Plenty of space under the sink. Not a big fan of the sink. And then this cabinetry up here. Again, you're going to need a stool or a ladder to get to this, depending how tall you are. So this is definitely a rig for someone that's over 7 feet tall. Just keep that in mind.
Until you get in the bedroom.
Until you get in the bedroom. Now here we have a nice king size bed. You heard Mandy say earlier that they have an option for a queen size in here. You have a little control center here. And coming over to this side, you have this little dresser area. And the end tables over here, they're a little different. The end tables over here are a little different. It's just this whole piece here. Probably put your drink there if you needed to. Then over here we have the dresser area. TV comes out. Wooden drawers. They definitely wanted this to make you feel like you're in an actual house because everything's wood in here. Yeah, 28,000 pounds. It's gonna make it a little heavier with all this wood. Temperature control right here. Coming into the bathroom here. A nice size shower. I like that there's no stepping up over it that much. Over here we have a bigger sink area. Got some counter space on it. Nice space underneath. Nice size 3 drawers on the side. Up here, medicine cabinet. And we have a little bit more up here for storage. Another control center there. And then here we have a walk-in closet with some shelves.
Well, thanks for joining us, everyone. We really appreciate it. If you have any comments or questions, please put them in the comment section below. And we'd love if you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Take care, everyone.